Yo, what's up, guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we'll discuss my personal top 5 most or worst Gunpla or Mecha model kit that I ever had. So please, I just want you to avoid this model kits or this Chinese bootlegs or Chinese model kits. In case you're about to buy this, think twice or think thrice. So let's start with my fifth worst gunpla that I owned and you need to avoid is the biscuit. I forget the name of this Chinese model, and all I know is this is a copy of the Stargazer Gundam. So their own concept for the Stargazer Gundam. So I don't really like this kit because the joints are really bad, especially on the waist and the legs, and even here on the backpack everything is really loose. So I did modification on this kit, and I tried to tighten all the joints, and seems nothing changed because it's really bad. So I didn't had a review of this kit yet. In my Gundam reviews, I didn't review this because I am disappointed with this kit. So this is a really back heavy. Same time, everything is loose. I don't know the black version, if the black version is quite well or improved compared with this early release. So I don't have the interest in buying that black thing anymore, so because of this version. Okay, so this is for the fifth spot. So for the fourth spot here, I got the MJH Getter Robo. So this is the Getter Devolution. So this kit is somehow nice if you're going to look at the appearance. Is really badass. Everything is spiky, everything is dreadful, but the joints on this kit is really bad. It's also loose, and the feet, although you can see it's standing, I just fixed the post already. So whenever you change post for the legs, this will not stand anymore. So this is the fixed post leg, and I tried tightening all joints on this part, but it seems like it's not effective. And even I tried to change the hands also into Kotobuki MSG hands, because the stock hands of this is really bullshit. It cannot hold the arm, the big axe. It cannot hold that, and the fitting for those hands are bullshit also, because it cannot grip on the socket there. And I tried sanding that, and after I sand, it's not worthy. It became more loose, and it cannot snap anymore. And also the wings of this kit, the wings is bullshit. So it keeps on stocking there. Those joints on the wings, they keep on stocking because of those tight pegs. So I tried sanding also the pegs, but I broke it. So I just keep it fixed like that. So this is very worst. And the worst thing on this kit is the head. The head ball joint is quite large compared with the socket on the neck. So what happened is it cracked. When I inserted the ball joint on the socket, it cracked, and I just put super glue on this. So the head is now fixed. It cannot rotate side to side, and the head is really bad. The sculpt of the head is not good. I don't like it. So there, it deserves the 4th spot. For the 3rd spot here, I got the Titan. This big bulky kit here. It's very large behemoth on my collection. So this is really a block, big block. You cannot do some action pose on this, and the joints are brittle, and even the polycaps is bullshit. Also, the armor pieces here keeps on detaching if you're going to pose the kit, and the shoulder here is really loose. You can see I also broke some pegs on the shoulder and the shield, and on the backpack of this kit is also worse. The legs, by the way, of course it can hold the heavy behemoth because of the wide feet here. The wide scope of the feet can really hold this kit, but cannot pose this. The pose that you can do with this kit is really awkward. I don't like. So this is just a big block, a hollow block or a cement block in your collection. So for me, it's not worth it to buy. It will just consume space on your shelf, but it is not that good. And then for the 2nd spot, this lacy Evangelion metal build style. So metal build style for me is not worth buying, especially in the bootleg version. Most metal build that I got, especially the band, has so many fitting issues. What more if it's not with the band? So this is not the band, it's the lacy industry. This kit is really hand grenade in terms of those pegs from the torso. The pegs are really tight, so you need to sand, and I did sanding, but still it is not good. So I broke some parts there on the middle of the torso, so it cannot move now. And for the elbows in this kit, it's very loose because I sand on the average scale, but still it's not worthy because makes the elbow very loose, and even the legs and the feet cannot stand on its own, especially if you put so much armament. So I wonder how this shit stand right now, because maybe he knows he is being videoed or filmed. That's why he can stand, but whenever I make him stand on the shelf, this will keep on falling. Also the head, the ball joint socket on those head are really bad. So if you're going to consider buying or planning to buy the lacy metal build Evangelion, don't buy this, especially the early releases. So early releases of this is really sucks. By the way, the MJH here is the Getter Robo here, the Devolution. Actually, it came from the MJH, and the MJH is a good kit, especially in the latest release. This one here is the early release. That's why some parts are still in trial and error. So don't buy that. Just buy the modern MJH. And this one, don't buy this shit. And for the top one worst kit is the band metal build, especially the metal build. They call this Justice Gundam. So don't buy this shit. As you can see, it cannot stand on its own. Obviously, the they call this pack, striker pack, can support the leg if you just put the wings like this. So it can support the leg before, but now the legs are now flimsy, cannot stand on its own. And even though if you put some action-based stand, the flimsiness will still prevail. So don't expect so much with this kit. So I just watched Just Toys and Games channel, and he said the joint tightness or the joint integrity of this kit is somehow suspicious. So now I believe in his blog, because the joint is really bad. Everything is bad on this kit. The waist, the elbows, the legs, and even the toes here are bad. And the connector for the striker pack is really loose. And I made some remedy on this kit, but still nothing is turning okay. So I might throw this kit if I got mad with this. So just avoid this kit. If you're going to buy, or you want the Justice Gundam badly, just buy the, I think that's the Supa model or the GTO model Justice Gundam, the normal one, not this metal build. Don't buy this metal build. So thank you so much for taking time on watching my top 5 worst Gunpla in my arsenal. So don't buy this 5 model kits. See you next time. Goodbye, God bless. Take care.